Hey guys, I got this knife in the mail. I don't have a tripod for my camera, so I already opened up the package because I only have one free hand. And I haven't looked inside yet though. I just opened it. Came in this. It's as by the title you can tell it's Rizzuto. Hold on one second. Alright, just had to pull it out there. And there it is. Safety works good. It's a little loose, but it doesn't really fall. It says Rizzuto. It's a white, and I don't know if you can tell in the video, the white handles have kind of aged, and it makes it look a little bit better. It looks really good. It's in really good condition. That's how the blade sits. It's in really nice. It's 11 inches, but it doesn't have the bat wing like this one does. I think I do like the white better. This one says Rizzuto a little bit deeper than this one does. The name of it. It's a really nice knife, and as you can see, the camera doesn't do really good with close-ups, but it still has the texture on the bail, as this one doesn't. Guards are pretty tight. Overall, a really nice knife. And the guy who sold me this, thanks a lot for selling me it. Really, really nice. Scales are in really nice condition. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. Any questions, ask me. I actually set it on here so they don't scratch. I'm thinking about getting a case soon. Just trying to find one on eBay. Really nice knife overall. And I'll keep building my collection. And thanks for watching, guys.